Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay. Yeah. So this we come to a very important slide. Yeah. How you set the KPI. Yeah. How you set the KPI. Yeah. KRE is key result area, the goals. Yeah. And KPI the key performance indicator. The initiative of tasks that you need to do in this particular KPI, they have certain criteria that you need to achieve. Yeah. This particular slide, we talk about the criteria of a good key performance indicator. Yeah, I'm sure you heard this many times in your organization. If you have experience, in fact, if you are not yet working as well, you can relate to the SMART criteria. Yeah, the SMART is very easy for all of us to remember. Yeah. For each KPI to be effective and efficient, then must be specific. Yeah, we talked about this many from the start of this particular lectures. It must be clear and must be very direct. Yeah, easy for people to understand. Yeah, so exactly what you need to achieve. Yeah, for example, satisfaction index 90%. Very clear. Yeah, and very direct. In order for you to achieve this particular KPI, you need to ensure 90% of the customers are satisfied. When? For the year 2025. So the measurement will happen throughout the year. Very specific, very clear. Yeah, it must be measurable. As I mentioned just now, example 90%. And it can be measured. Yeah, must be. For example, you want to calculate customer service. There must be a system or template or ways of for you to assess the satisfaction. Yeah, there must be a forms that you need to produce, and the form you must ensure the customers, every customers answer the questions. Yeah, so to have a system to measure the customer satisfaction will be helpful. Yeah, you must be able to measure. Yeah, it must be achievable. You put 110%, it cannot be achievable. Yeah, it cannot be achieved. Yeah, we got 100% possible but very stretch. Yeah, so 90% is something that is quite good already. Yeah, you can set that as per the objective, the result that you desire. Yeah, it must be relevant. Yeah, must be relevant with the organization. You cannot give to your subordinates, to your employees, KPI or task or initiative that is not relevant to their work. Yeah, therefore that's why earlier in the previous slide we talk about the what is the job description, what is their responsibility. So all these initiative must be relevant to their position. Yeah, therefore they have control, they have resources, they have authority to execute the particular task that given to them. Yeah, and also must be time based. Yeah, for example, to complete this particular project in December, or maybe you want it to do it much earlier, you put it by June. Yeah, therefore they are very clear. Yeah, they need to complete this particular project in June. So they will do whatever they do and realign the resources to focus on this particular project that need to be complete earlier as compared to other project. So SMART element is very good guidance, yeah, for you as a leaders and also as employees to look into your own KPI, whether they have SMART elements or not, whether changes need to be done accordingly or not. Yeah, so achievement area of focus for a typical KPI in organization: revenues, yeah, maybe profit, yeah, maybe to achieve certain dividend depending on your organization. Yeah, and some organization, because of their initiative this year is to cost reduction, that will be KPI they set. Every department must reduce cost to certain percentage, for example. So everyone should be work into minimizing their cost. Yeah, but all the tasks must be delivered with a reduced cost or with a cost used effectively or something. Yeah, in customer service, yeah, what kind of satisfaction you want to look into? Loyalty, you want to look into satisfaction, you want to reduce complaints, yeah. So you need to be specific for the particular year what actually KPI you want to monitor. Yeah, and you must look into personal development. Every employee, with regard to their task that given, they might need further support in terms of training, coaching, and supports in terms of resources. Yeah, in terms of guidance. Yeah, and also you need to look into the risk. This is very important factors in performance management. Whatever initiative that you put in, yeah, you put in your plan, what will be the risk for you not achieving that, and then you should be have some mitigation plan, so that when the review monitoring comes, yeah, you can look into what can be done. You already have the risk assessment in your planning. All right. So, in terms of for each KPI, you can put on weightage. Yeah, this is example, everyone. Sometimes performance management is used as strategic tool for some organization. Yeah, you want to emphasize on internal business process, you can put more weightage on the business process. Yeah, you want to put emphasis on the financial aspect, you can put more weightage there. So people are more will go will be the behavior will be aligned towards the main KPI. Yeah, you can use this as your strategy. So with that, I end the lectures for performance management. Thank you for your attention.